Today we're checking out the Liberty 4 from Soundcore. A pair of true wireless earbuds that pack impressive sound in a well thought out design, along with some neat features including spatial audio and integrated heart rate sensor. Today I'm going to share with you my experience using the Liberty 4s and cover everything you need to know. As always, I will leave all the purchase links down in the description. But first, I am doing a giveaway on this brand new iPhone 14. If you guys want a chance to win, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment your favorite feature of the Soundcore Liberty 4s, along with your Instagram username, and then follow me on Instagram where I will announce the winner on November the 27th. Alright, so starting off with the unboxing, we get nice packaging with everything neatly presented. And inside the box, we get the usual paperwork, the USB-C to a charge cable, as well as a range of earbuds. Now, these are clear for the built-in heart sensor, but more on that in a sec. And finally, we get the Liberty 4s themselves packed in this nice and small charging case. Let's check them out. The Liberty 4s feature this midnight glossy black color that I think looks really sharp. I especially like the copper touches right by the ear tips. The buds use an in-ear design with a stem on the side. Now, this design choice has both pros as well as cons. Although not my top choice, as it does make the design of the buds a little bit bigger, it does come with some advantages. First, it makes the buds very easy to adjust when they are in your ear, and then secondly, because the microphone is on the end of the stem, it does bring it a little bit closer to your mouth to allow for even clearer call quality. And then the stem can also be squeezed to control your music. I like this, as requiring a squeeze as opposed to a tap means you won't accidentally pause your music when adjusting the earbuds in your ear. The earbuds magnetically sit in the excellent charge case. They also light up inside the charge case, which not only looks cool, but is actually useful at night to easily align and take the buds out. Now, when it comes to any charge case, the first thing I look at is thickness, as this determines how pocketable the charge case is. The Liberty 4's charge case is nice and slim, and is in fact small in all dimensions. So few manufacturers get this right, so I'm glad to see that the Liberty 4s come with a portable charge case that is comfortable to have inside your pocket all day. To open and close the charge case, it uses this really satisfying sliding top. And then in terms of the battery life, the earbuds will get you 7 hours of playback time, that is with ANC on, and then with ANC off, you get 9 hours. Now, this is good battery life and above average. And then the charge case adds an additional 28 hours of battery life. It charges via USB-C and has a neat LED indicator on the front. Let me show you what the Liberty 4s look on in the ear. So I went ahead and got the medium-sized tips on my earbuds, and I'm just gonna put them into my ear here just to give you an idea for what they look like. And go ahead and look around here. So as you can see, they look pretty sleek inside the ear. Despite having that stem, it is relatively short and minimalistic, so it's not as obtrusive as some other headphones or earbuds that use this design. Now, right away, when wearing the Liberty 4s, I can tell you that they are super comfortable and lightweight in the ear. The weight, the little weight there is distributed very well, and with that stem design, it really allows you to easily hook them into place and get that perfect fit. I would say the weight and contact points are well distributed to create a fit that is comfortable while also getting a good seal, which is essential for bass, but more on sound in a sec. During my weeks of testing, they never got loose or fell out, even during a run. And then at home, I can comfortably wear the Liberty 4s for hours at a time without causing any kind of ear fatigue. The Liberty 4s also come with some pretty cool features. For example, the right earbud actually has a built-in heart rate sensor. Now, you may wonder why. Well, the heart rate data is used for the wellness feature as part of the Soundcore app. This will monitor and show you your heart rate as well as your stress levels. Now, as someone who already wears an Apple Watch and wears that watch all day as opposed to earbuds, which I only wear for a few hours at a time, I didn't find myself using this feature much, but what was important though is that when I compared the heart rate data from my Apple Watch to the Liberty 4s, I found the numbers to be very similar, and this does suggest that the heart rate monitor inside the earbuds is quite accurate. If you don't already have a smartwatch, wearing the Liberty 4s during a workout, it'll be handy to look back and see your heart rate data. The Liberty 4s also feature spatial audio. Now, spatial audio creates a 3D environment and then places the source of the sound in a fixed place. So this way, when you move your head, the sound moves with you. This is particularly nice when watching movies or TV shows, as it does help immerse you more into your content. They also get Hear ID, which tests your hearing based on a range of sounds and then will actually adapt and adjust the sound to match your ears. For me, this slightly increased the mids and lowered the highs, which I actually preferred for my music. They also get Bluetooth 5.3, which enables dual connection, and this is a feature I really like to see, as this means I can watch a video on my iPad and then quickly answer a call on my iPhone without having to switch devices. I'm also glad to see built-in ear detection, which will autoplay and pause your music when removing a bud. But what about the sound quality? Well, out of the box, the Liberty 4s use Soundcore signature sound, which I would describe as being very V-shaped, which means they emphasize the lower frequencies as well as the higher frequencies. And this is great for most genres of music, especially rap, house, and EDM, as these are genres that are naturally more bass heavy. Speaking of bass, the lows are very deep. There's even strong sub bass, and this really comes through without taking away from the mids, which remain clean and wide. I found the high frequencies to be just a touch on the sharp side, but thankfully this can be easily adjusted in the Soundcore app, where you can fully customize the EQ or choose from a wide range of preset sound profiles. I really like the level of customization and usability that the Soundcore app offers. The Liberty 4s also get plenty loud. I found myself typically listening at anywhere from 50 to 60% volume. Featuring Soundcore's high-res audio-certified coaxial dual drivers, the sound is clear and big, offering a surprisingly wide soundstage for a pair of in-ear buds. There is also no distortion even at higher volumes, and the balance between frequencies remains even at all volume levels. All in all, I am very happy with the sound that these provide, especially for the price. Noise cancellation is strong too, effectively blocking out lower to mid-range frequencies. For example, noise from the road, train, or planes, making the Liberty 4s great to use on your commute. At times, I did find some higher frequency noises to come through, but you'll then quickly hear the earbuds adjust and block it out. I found the transparency mode to work really well, effectively letting in voices, for example, the barista when you're ordering your coffee, or being able to hear the stations being announced as you drive in the train. It does make voices sound a little bit robotic, but they are clear, and that ultimately is what matters most. The mic quality on calls is generally very clear, with the person hearing me clearly and I hearing them as well. And this is where that stem design does help, as it brings the microphone just a little bit closer to your mouth. Alright, this is an audio test of the Liberty 4s from Soundcore. Curious to see how my voice sounds through the Voice Memos app. Hopefully it is clear and audible. So who are the Soundcore Liberty 4s for? At $149, these buds come in at a very compelling price, as when it comes to what matters most in a set of earbuds, from sound to design, fit, as well as the charge case and battery life, the Liberty 4s absolutely deliver. Plus, having dual connect, ear detection, as well as the customizable sound and wellness feature in the excellent accompanying app, at $149, the Liberty 4s offer a really compelling all-around package that is hard to beat at the price. Anyway guys, let me know if you have any questions at all about the Liberty 4s. As always, I will leave the purchase links down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.